Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing great. If you're new here, please subscribe, like and comment. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to turn on and off laptop. For the new beginners, you have your laptop, you don't know how to turn it on or off. I'm here for you today. So I'm going to be showing you many things. So when you have your computer unopened, you have to first open it. Let me open it. So as we are opening it, it's opened now. So after opening it, you're going to look for a power button. It's orange. It's in the corner of the laptop. It's a small button in the corner of the laptop. So my camera may not be clear, but as you're seeing my finger touching, that's where the power button is. So I'm going to press it. I've pressed it and it has lightened up my monitor, so it hasn't powered on directly. So I'm going to double tap my screen. It's going to bring a sign in tab. I tap it. Some computers have password, but mine doesn't have. So I've opened my laptop successfully. So we have opened it successfully. So I'm going to be teaching you another thing, how to turn it off. There are many options of turning off a laptop. You can turn it off with the power button, but now I'm going to be teaching you. So I'm going to be teaching you how to turn it off. So I'm going to tap my Windows tab. So that's where my click is going to click. Okay. So I'm looking for it. It's there. Then I've tapped it. When you tap the Windows tab, it opens the start menu displaying icons and shortcuts. From there, you click the power button, which reveals options like sleep, shutdown, or restart. To turn it off, like your laptop, you select the shutdown option. That initiates the shutdown process on your laptop, and you have powered off completely. And that's how it is. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more content.